title to you. I'm pulling on your hair. Whoa! Oopsie daisy, I whipped out your hair. Oops.
What was that?
Nothing. That was nothing.
Okay. Well, that's creepy. Yeah, here's our free time.
Guys, I hope he doesn't find out that I whipped his hair out.
Oh, what happened to my hair? Cat.
He's coming! Whoa, okay, I'm sorry.
Dad,
It wasn't
what did you
me.
do to my hair?
It wasn't me.
I'm just joking with you.
But how? Well, you gonna get new hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. Wait, I think I can give you my hair.
Thank you.
Wow, that was
I'm
very
down.
cool. Guys, that's the end of the video. 'Cause I can't
Boy,
move
I
my
want to change
character.
the color.
I can't move my character, sorry.